Hello everyone, in this practicum 4, now we're explaining the C program to display the process ID, PD and the parent process of PPID. Now this program printed two important identifier, get PD, give the unique ID of the current process, get PPDID, give the ID of the parent process that credits it, created. Every process in Linux has two IDs. This is the code print job, print the ID and print the reviewed by PPID. We using the get and bit get PT. This is the output. Click the code inside the nano. After that nano, we use CGC and final output. So the job application process, application PID number reviewed by PPID number. Next, the second code is um, fork creates a new child after calling fork, using the fork to create a new child. After calling fork, both the parents and children executed the same code, but they print different message based on the return value of fork. Inside the nano, we paste this code. After the GCCG and the job, HR and application preparing for the job. This is the output. Next, third, um, identify the parent and the child based on the fork's return. If a fork return is zero, it's child is the children. If the fork return positive number, it's a parent, and the number of the child PID. This is the code. Stack include into main int ID is equal to fork. If ID is greater than zero, print HRR. If else if ID equal to zero, application is submitted. Else error. The output is HRS passing application submitted. Next, fourth code. The parent user wait to pause until the children complete. This avoid the parent finish early and ensure the synchronous execution. This is the code. Include studio.lib, unistand, symmetric system. This is the output. The parent is processing, waiting for the children. The PID is equal to this number, and child process is completed. Parent processes child process, child completed. Next, fifth, uh, fifth one, escape VP replace the current progress with the new program. Here, the program is replaced with a Linux is a command. So the last print line is never executed. This is the last line print never executed. So this is the output. Uh, Job executes. This is the final output of this. Next, sixth is a zombie process. The child exits, but the parent does not call wait. So the child become a zombie for a 10 second. So this is the code. Int main int ID is equal to fork I is equal to just print this exit zero else print this. This is the final output. Not receive application. Application becomes zombie. Submitted application executed. Next, seventh program. Uh, the parent exit first. The children continue running and get adopted by int PDI1. This is called often. This is the code, and the final output is HR exit news or superior's PID is equal to 1. Next, eighth one is a writing to a file. Um, we use a low level system called open close write. This directly control the file handling at OS level. So write the file and we got the output, name, application name, status, software, internet under review. There are the numbers and the name and all this. Next, ninth one, we read from the file. This code explains the program open and executing existing file, read it content into a buffer, and write it to the terminal using the write. This is the code, which are the we are printing and we are like closing this. And the final output is reading job file, application name, and status of submitted. Next, tenth one, you use fork plus execute together in this code. The this code explains the children execution. The command is the command. The parent waits. This how operating system launch new program. This is the code and this is the final output. Uh, Thank you.